Siddhartha Education Society has been in the field of education in Karnataka for the last 50 years. It is always the dream of the founder, late Sri H.M. Gangadharaya, to provide education to the rural mass, thereby providing opportunities to youngsters who can also contribute to the development of this country. In this endeavor, Siddhartha Education Society has been running many institutions, starting from high schools to medical schools, engineering schools, and institutions of higher learning. It was also the dream personally to myself that in addition to the engineering faculty, medical faculty, I thought, looking at the development in the corporate world, we also need to produce youngsters who can manage their affairs in various fields, particularly the human resource development and also the finance management. So in this background, we started our business management school to provide opportunities for the youngsters who passes out as graduates from this district particularly and also from all over the state and country, provide opportunities for them to become good managers after their completion in the postgraduate degree in business management. So we started this MBA course as Sri Siddhartha College of Business Management in Tumkur and provide opportunities for completing their MBA programs here in the campus. Siddhartha Institute of Technology campus houses this MBA program with a special emphasis on HR and finance management particularly. So we have been admitting students, nearly 120 of them, and our graduates have been excellent when they go out of this institution. In the market we stand at some level. Our boys and girls have been doing extremely well in corporate world. We have a very good faculty, we have a very good the institution, and all these contribute to their knowledge development. I personally feel that our institution will be able to excel even further with the time to come. With the passage of time, I think we should be able to provide better opportunities in their learning process.